Imagine a hidden world inside every living cell, a bustling metropolis powered by proteins. These microscopic engines drive our muscles, send signals through nerves, and defend us from disease. Proteins are dynamic, flexible chains of amino acids that fold into intricate, three-dimensional shapes in a fraction of a second. This folding is the secret to their power. The shape determines whether a protein becomes a fiber, an enzyme, or an antibody. Each unique fold is a masterpiece, perfected by evolution over billions of years. The diversity of these shapes is staggering, each serving a specific purpose in the grand puzzle of life. To truly understand life, we must understand how proteins achieve their extraordinary shapes. For decades, predicting these hidden forms has been one of science's greatest quests. Unlocking this secret would let us see the inner workings of biology with unprecedented clarity. It's a key to countless mysteries of health, disease, and the essence of life itself. Welcome to the secret dance of life. The protein folding problem has challenged scientists for over 50 years. The question, can we predict a protein's final shape from its amino acid sequence? The possibilities are astronomical, more than atoms in the universe. Nature solves this instantly, but for us, it was a computational nightmare. Understanding a protein's shape is crucial. A single misfold can cause devastating diseases like Alzheimer's or cystic fibrosis. For decades, this puzzle was biology's holy grail, a barrier to progress and a testament to nature's complexity. Scientists from every discipline tried to crack the code, knowing that success would revolutionize medicine and biology. The quest was long and filled with both hope and frustration. Solving it would open a new era of discovery. The world waited for a breakthrough. Early on, the only way to see a protein's structure was through painstaking lab work, X-ray crystallography, or cryo-electron microscopy. These methods were slow, expensive, and often required years just to reveal a single structure. Each new structure was a triumph, but the pace lagged far behind our ability to discover new protein sequences. The gap between known sequences and known structures grew ever wider. It was like having millions of books in a language we couldn't read. We knew the words, the sequences, but not the stories they told. It became clear that lab methods alone couldn't keep up. We needed a tool that could translate sequence into structure. The world was waiting for a new approach. The stage was set for innovation. A breakthrough was on the horizon. The breakthrough came from artificial intelligence. Instead of calculating every atomic force, AI approached protein folding as a pattern recognition problem. By learning from thousands of known protein structures, AI could begin to discern the rules of folding. This shift was like learning a language by immersion, not memorization. Early AI attempts were promising but not accurate enough. As deep learning emerged, neural networks grew more powerful, able to learn subtle patterns from vast data. The stage was set for a monumental leap forward. A new kind of seeing was about to change everything. The turning point was AlphaFold, created by DeepMind. AlphaFold used deep learning and a mechanism called attention to consider the entire protein sequence at once. It learned from a vast database of known structures and evolutionary patterns, connecting sequence to shape. In the Cas-B competition, AlphaFold's predictions matched lab-determined structures with unprecedented accuracy. What once took years in the lab could now be done in hours. The scientific community was stunned. AlphaFold had solved the protein folding problem. The digital apprentice had mastered its craft, opening a new era for biology. Suddenly, the locked door of protein structure was thrown wide open. Scientists could now see the shapes of life at breathtaking speed and scale. The promise of decades was realized in a single leap. A landscape of new scientific possibilities appeared before us. The future of biology had arrived. With the code cracked, AlphaFold's creators made their predictions freely available to the world. They built a public database with structures for nearly every known protein, over 200 million. This transformed biological research overnight. Scientists could now access protein structures in minutes, accelerating discovery across the life sciences. The database became a treasure map for innovation, studying extreme life, fighting antibiotic resistance, and designing enzymes to clean up our planet. Researchers can now explore entire proteomes, comparing proteins across species and understanding life as a system. The scale and speed of discovery are unprecedented. This isn't just faster research, it's a new way of asking questions. The age of structural biology has truly arrived. The possibilities are limitless. The most immediate promise of this breakthrough is in medicine. With clear views of protein structures, drug design becomes precise and rational. Scientists can now design drugs that fit perfectly into protein targets, speeding up therapy development. This approach is already helping fight diseases like COVID-19, Alzheimer's, and cancer. Understanding protein variations could lead to personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual genetics. We're entering a new era where deep knowledge of proteins transforms health. The dawn of a new medicine is here. As we celebrate AI's achievement, we must remember its limits. AI predicts static structures, but it doesn't understand how proteins move or interact in living cells. Its predictions are hypotheses. Human scientists must test and interpret them. The creativity and intuition of researchers are more vital than ever. With great power comes great responsibility. We must use this technology wisely and ethically. The ability to design proteins raises important questions for society. Science remains a profoundly human endeavor, guided by judgment and empathy. AlphaFold's success is built on decades of human effort and collaboration. Its future impact depends on the next generation of curious minds. The human spark of imagination will continue to push the boundaries of knowledge. Together, we shape the future of discovery. This achievement is more than solving a scientific puzzle. It's a beacon of hope. It shows that even the toughest challenges can yield to persistence and collaboration. We're now able to understand life from the inside out, at its most fundamental level. This deeper knowledge only deepens our sense of wonder. The journey is just beginning. AI's structures are the starting point for new questions and discoveries. What other mysteries will we solve? How will we use this knowledge to heal and protect our world? We stand at a remarkable moment, gifted a new lens to explore life's secrets. The next chapter of discovery is waiting to be written.